Entry 1. Hello, my name is James Thompson. Wait, why am I greeting myself? Just been to the doctor today about my mental breakdown in college. He suggested I use this voice recorder to keep a record of everything I do, so I bought one. Need to try to use this all the time if I can. Entry number 2. Been to college again. The winter set in, so it's been absolutely freezing. It hasn't snowed yet, which is such a shame. Some guys at the college stole my tape recorder and tried to break it, so I punched them in the face and took it back. I love the snow. It's so calm. Entry 3. I forgot to put the dates on the previous 2 entries. Shit. But, oh well. Anyway, I went back to the doctor's, even though the journey is just under a mile and it's getting colder and colder each day. He says I've improved. Mental health wise anyway. So that's good. January 23rd, 2013. Entry number 4. I had to walk home today from college even though it's a Saturday because the bus driver didn't accept my money. Asshole. So it was a 1.5 mile walk back home. And I have a cold. No surprise. It started snowing. Finally, college may be closed for a while. January 26th, 2013. Entry number 5. Sure enough, it hasn't closed. Fuck's sake. I don't want to go. It's too cold. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Fuck it. I'm staying in bed. I still have a cold. The date is, January 28th, 2013. Getting used to this now. Entry 6. I stayed in bed for the week, feeling really down. I had to close the curtains because somebody keeps walking by the house and looking in. I'm getting sick of it now. And it's still snowing. Mad asshole. Entry... whatever. Getting real tired of that guy. So I decided to get my chair and wait for him to come by. And when he does, it's going to be a very warm day. Sure enough, he came back. So I just waited. He stood and stared at my house. He was smiling. In this weather? He must be insane. He left something on the path. I'm going to have a look before the snow hides it. The date is February 3rd, 2013. Entry number 13. Went to listen back to the recordings with the doctor, and they're all static, with the sound of wind and crunching like boots in the snow. I wrote down the dates on a sheet of paper, and those days I was bedridden, so I don't get it. I didn't tell him about the thing on the path. He wants to know. I just said it's just some random hobo being drunk and stupid. It was a note. It said, "Snow is falling. Keep warm. Keep sharp." It's February 23rd, 2013 now. Snow's meant to get worse. Great. Entry 16. New tape. Last few recordings were the same as the others. Really freaking me out. Snow is getting heavier also, but I'm just getting tired. Feeling happy. Entry 17. I saw the man again. He walked up to the door. He smiles. Still smiles. He loves snow. I let him in. He likes the sharp stuff too. Doctor is gone. I didn't like him. Entry 24. Warm. So warm. Walls need cleaning. Screaming hurts my ears. Silence. I like the silence. Snow. Love snow. Entry number 25. There's no smile now. He went. I miss smile and warmth. They still scream. Knife goes hand, it stops. I smile. Snow. Wind is picking up. Person walking by. He seems cold. Better invite him in. Don't want to catch a cold, do we? Entry bad. Snow is going. I'm moving away. Smiling. Person passed me in car. He stopped. I stopped. He fell. Knife is my friend. He shows me my smile. Need to change. People following me. Found hut. Staying there. Snow here. Tapes nearly ran out. One last message. Staying near this road. Snow here all the time, so people are slow. I need to keep warm, and people stop follow. I'm happy. Knife happy. Person happy. Not my hut. It is now. Stupid dog. Nice fur though.